some very easy and quick and tasty dips that you can make for parties. First one we're going to do is bean dip. Look at, you can do vegetarian refried beans. You can do traditional refried beans. So I'm going to ask you, honey, do you have a preference? Would you like vegetarian?
Oh, we only do one can?
Or traditional? Yeah.
I'm doing traditional.
Traditional beans it is. You guys are going to be like, I didn't know that making something could be this easy. Ready? We open a can of refried beans. I'm going to take the top off. We're going to take this, we're going to put it in a container. It's coming. Well, it has a vacuum.
There we go.
And it
just like cranberry sauce.
Yeah, just like cranberry sauce. Okay. I'm going to take it, swoosh it up a little bit, and then I'm going to throw it in the microwave.
Here, I can throw it in there.
My honey's going to throw it in the microwave for about minute and a half. Now, if you don't want it to be dairy-free, you could take cheese, sprinkle it on top. If you want it to remain dairy-free and you want cheese, there's dairy-free sprinkly cheese. You can use both of those. You could throw some jalapeno peppers on there. And as you can see, we've got a whole host of different types of, what would you call it? Methods of eating your, what would you say?
Chips, crackers,
yeah,
and pretzels.
So, I mean, like with the bean dip, the Fritos might be good, Tostitos might be good.
Dip in your dip. Dip in the dip.
Yeah.
Dip.
Okay, anyway. I also wondered, so I'm going to tell you this. They make these little mini street taco tortillas. You could make your own little baby beef burritos for your Super Bowl, for your party, whatever. And I'm going to show you how you can make your own pico, but you're going to have to stay tuned to get that recipe. That's probably good, hon.
Yeah. I don't know what it is, but
Let's take a look-see.
I think it is.
Okay, yeah.
Really?
Well, you want it to be a little bit more soft, mushy. All right?
Warm, not hot.
Hold on. Second ingredient. Classic Tabasco sauce. This is not a measure out kind of a recipe. This is how hot do you like your sauce? Whoops, I like mine a little bit hot. You, not so much, but you're getting better.
I'm getting better. I used to heat even warm.
I don't think that that's going to be enough.
Yeah.
That might be enough.
Oh, the hot or the warm?
Have a bite. Spice. What do you think?
Oh, it's got an after kick. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. No, that's perfect.
You could add more if you want. I would say, what do you think we did? Maybe a teaspoon?
Maybe a little bit more, but not much more.
Yep. You can put it, now like I said, if you would like to add other ingredients to it, you could. You could make you a little beef burrito. You could scoop it up. I don't think I'd do potato chips. You could do Fritos, or you would do, or you could do the Tostitos.
Ooh.
Heat it up a little bit more so that it's...
These are scoops. This is nice.
Yeah, oh yeah. You have to have the scoops because the scoops are going to go great with the next dip we're going to make. Are we good?
Mm-hmm. We'll go with the next dip.
All right. Super simple. 2 ingredients, friends.
That's really good.
All you need is a little bit of Tabasco sauce and some refried beans. Add cheese if you want. Add, what could you put? You could do jalapeno peppers. You could do sour cream. Whatever you want. So the next one we're going to make is actually full-on dairy.